Greetings, greetings, greetings. You know, not only in the Caribbean, but all over the world, family can be a very complicated thing. But tell me, who you think are your real family? Hmm? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And you subscribe to the channel yet? If you not do it yet, do it now. No, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you no miss none of what I go on right yourself.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, me I go read from the good news about Jesus as come to Matthew chapter 12 from verse 46 to verse 50. When Jesus did it, I chat to the crowd of people them. Him mother and brother them come turn up outside and ask for chat to him. So somebody said to Jesus, say, "Oi there, your mother and brother them turn up out a door. Them want chat to you." Jesus answered the man, say, who am my mother? And who am my brother? Him pint pan him follower them and say, "See my mother and my brother them, yeah? Cause anybody we do what my Father in heaven want them to do, and them are my brother, sister, and mother." A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.